Many would think to recycle any electronics they have no use for, but what do you do with a valuable piece of tech history such as the iPhone 4? Today, it's just a piece of nostalgia still running iOS 7. It can't even connect to most modern 5G Wi-Fi networks, and it won't work with modern carriers. This is because it's Verizon locked and it doesn't support anything past 3G, which is discontinued. So the only way you're going to be checking your stocks or browsing the internet on this thing is if you have an old 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, which I don't. So instead, I'm going to show you how you can turn this old relic into a mini entertainment device so that you can add it back to your daily routine in 2026. Okay, to do this, you're going to need Apple's old 30-pin dot connector and the CopyTrans control center. You're also going to need a PC or laptop. A MacBook won't work with this, although you probably can with a virtual machine. I'll leave all the necessary links in the description. To get the CopyTrans control center, go to copytrans.net, then go to downloads, and then click on the big download button. From there, launch the installer and install the software. The installer is pretty straightforward. After the control center launches, install and launch the CopyTrans Manager service, and then connect the iPhone 4 to your PC using the 30-pin dot connector cable. CopyTrans should instantly recognize your phone, but if it doesn't, you probably don't have iOS drivers. In that case, use the link in the description to download the CopyTrans driver installer and get your drivers from there. Okay, now that your iPhone 4 is connected to your PC, it's as easy as drag and dropping your MP3 files directly into the manager. I have a long list of songs I want to add, so I'm going to select all of them and drop them into the manager at once. Once it's done adding all the files, you want to click Update so that CopyTrans updates the iPhone 4 with the changes. Alright, that's how you can turn the iPhone 4 into an iPod or entertainment device in 2026. Now that you have the drivers, you can also try the other services CopyTrans has. It's time we find new ways to own our tech in a time where companies seem to be hell-bent on taking the ability to own away from us. Alright guys, thanks for watching, have fun, leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.